Hello and welcome from the Don Spark in Bibiani. We're coming to you live with the match of the day for match day 3. This is Bibiani Goldstars' first home encounter against the league champions Asante Kotoko. My name is Prince Anan, and I can tell you for a fact that the whole town of Bibiani is painted green and yellow. This is the first time of asking for Bibiani Goldstars, and they are here to impress.
It's an epic battle here at the Don Spark, Prince. And for Asante Kotoko, it's a perfect start. 2 wins out of 2, and they will be looking to make it 3 here at the Don Spark. It is a fortress for any team to play here, and that's how come Prosper Nate Ogum is changing tactics and changing system and formation here. For Prosper Nate Ogum, it started with a 4-1-2-3. It means there will be no Abdul Ganiu, there's no Yusuf Mubarak, Joseph Mwaku, and of course Stephen Amankuna, who started in their last game against Bechem United. Of course, there's Razak Balora, Budasiru Salif for Richard Buedu, Fabio Gama dos Santos, and there's also Boateng Samuel, Richmond Lante, Kojo Asma, Christopher Nete.
And Maxwell Hansen will get us underway in this game, this encounter between Bibiani Goldstars, who are playing from left to right on your screens. Game continuing nicely. Build-up has been quite steady for both sides, especially Kotoko, and Gama pushed off the ball. Maxwell Hansen saw that from a distance. Pass thread through. It's kept in play by Owusu. Goes round his marker. He's still going in there. Strong. Appeals for the penalty. Patrick Asma says no. And what is he doing? An unnecessary yellow card.
Work. He had done well to go past Maxwell Ajiman. This is the second time he was making, good use of the ball, going around Maxwell Ajiman. And then it was that timely intervention from Richard Buedu, which saved Kotoko. But for him to have rushed to the referee, and clearly that couldn't have been a penalty.
Yeah. Ball has been taken away from Mudasiru. Careful build up by Bibiani Goldstars into enemy territory now. The shot is fired and Razak. Oh. Right.
Well, glorious opportunity for Bibiani Goldstars to take the lead. Locating Prince Owusu Kwabena here. And look at the shot. Well saved by Abalora. The rebound, as well as Richard Buedu, they have not, controlled the midfield for Kotoko very well. It's Mudasiru who has been the brightest spot in the middle.
Yeah, and there he goes. Lays on the pass again. A trip from behind on Richmond Lamte.
See the barrage of runs and crosses from Christopher Nete and Patrick Asma, and that amazes me. Again, they've also managed to keep quiet.
It looked like it's worked to perfection. Again, they start an attack from the left. This is coming forward, Kamara.
Kamara, look at him. He get hold of the ball. He controls the ball very well. He goes past players in the middle, and that's good.
Policed by Asma. Throw in by Yaya. Into the 18-yard was looking for the quick turn. Boafo. Goalkeeper came out. Outstretched fingers. Got to the ball. The drive is on. And it goes wide.
Kotoko needed to defend that. Yeah, we see another brilliant play from Prince Owusu and Boafo with that cross. Great save from the goalkeeper, but the follow-up shot.
Turns Fabio inside out, sends in the cross. It's headed out by the defense of Kotoko, but there could be an opportunity coming from the far side. The cross is on. And Asma has the easiest of tasks. But then he sets it to Yaya straight away. Yaya fires on target.
They are lacking confidence now. It's Bibiani Goldstars who are probing, who are trying to score. And that's not good enough from...
Here comes Mudasiru. Opts for a back pass. Does well and finds Buedu. Gama. Lamte leaves it on the far side. Fufro goes out. Brave save. A little bit of a nudge on Fabio Gama, and referee comes to the aid.
Yeah, and Prosper Nate Ogum play better than this. And you see the move here again. This was where Kotoko were really looking threatening. And Nete in a very good position, but great goalkeeping from Ansa Fufro. Closed the angle very well. And it was difficult for Nete. Nete, it wasn't a very good first control.
Yeah, throw in. Shot from a distance into the 18-yard box. It still stays in play. Good recovery by Kotoko, but he's won it. Side netting.
Win the ball here. Look at him. He win the ball from Isaac Opo, but he had 2 players in the 18-yard box. he could have just passed the ball to those two players, but really was working hard to get the ball. But you see, anytime Sule gets on the ball, it is 2 or 3 Kotoko players who goes in with a tackle.
Half-time now here at the Dons Park. Stars will be playing from right to left as you watch. Kotoko in their favorite, all red-colored.
Here, Kwakudia, not the best of back passes, and nearly fell for Boateng, but good goalkeeping from Asante to. How come they are in the Ghana Premier League? We see in the back pass again. Brave, good goalkeeping from Asante.
Not too sure whether they've seen through Prof. Judah Champong's crystal eye ball. But here come Kotoko. Player goes down in the process, but in front of goalkeeper, and super finish from Kotoko. And none other than the young chap, Isaac Opong.
Well, against the run of play, and surprisingly, the BNE Goldstars are stand here. Super strike from the young chap Isaac Opong. Again, he is trying to be the game changer for Kotoko. What a strike on the edge of the penalty box. It didn't really look like a chance for Kotoko, but the young chap had his eye up. Yeah, well, look, let's watch him here. Kotoko were probing, and here the ball was not well defended. It fell to him, and look, that one touch, it was a brilliant strike, super strike for where he was standing and how he got the vision clear and the technique to kill that ball at the edge of the penalty box straight into the far corner. They have their tails up and they are now more confident. They are calm in the middle, and that's
a free kick advantage. Swung in nicely by Kwekudia. And that was a very unnecessary push on Razak Abalora.
Yeah, here we saw Abalora with the first. You see, Enu, they will get here, but thankfully they are up front here, and so we want to see a more relaxed team that can play to a well-rehearsed strategy.
Game continues in earnest. Kotoko keeping the ball to themselves. That's Fabio Gama, and a quick daring
pass from Gama in the middle.
Yeah,
just watch it. Wonderful pass, nearly a perfect one.
Free kick is on now. Shot by Owusu. This could be an opportunity for them to put a smile on the faces of their fans. Prince Owusu! Razak was in the way. It's not lost yet. They will still probe and come forward through Nicolas Osei of BNE Goldstars. As we watch through the replay once again, the pass was laid up and you saw Razak Abalora come forward fair and square, took the ball in the midsection, and the resultant rebound was wasted. But referee Maxwell Hansen brings the game to an end. Kotoko have beaten BNE Goldstars by 1-0 here at the Dons Park. A game that Goldstars came into with a lot of pump, with a lot of action, but through 90 minutes they huffed and puffed. The Dons Park has been quietened. The noise has been brought down